Let me show you how to properly use your electrical water gun. When you actually order these either come with these small tiny tanks or these big drum magazines. And I think the capacity of this is like 5 or 6 times basically bigger than on this one. By the way, also I'll leave in the description link where you can actually get it for the cheapest price. For example, on AliExpress it's literally, yeah, it's crazy price, so literally like $7 or $8. Also, if you are new user, if you follow the special link in the description, you will be able to actually get it for literally $1 with free shipping. So again, if you follow the special link. By the way, if you need the manual and you do not have it, basically you can pause the video. And yep, basically the battery inside this water gun is located right over here, so you simply have to open it up. And when it actually arrives, the battery actually isn't connected, so you simply have to fish it out, and you see we actually have connector inside. So we simply have to connect, so see basically how it fits actually, and simply like connect these two together, and then we kind of have to stuff in the battery back in, so there isn't that much space. So again, wiggle this basically like lead properly inside, so make sure everything is flush, and then close it up, and then it's pretty much ready to be used. As you can see, yeah, it's already working, already has a bit of water inside it. So basically the way you use it, so it's very easy, so press the trigger and that's it, it shoots already. And if you want to charge it, again, in your box you will have this like cable, so again you simply pull out the battery, so unplug it and simply plug in basically this thing, so, and then you can plug in any like wall adapter or like computer or laptop. So again, the battery runtime is actually like really decent on this. And if you want to fill up your tank basically, so basically you have to open this port over here and then simply like go to a tap and fill it up. So it's the same on this one. So again, like pull it out, yeah, fill it up, and it's done. And by the way, this gun actually doesn't have like interior reservoir basically, so this is there isn't any space where you can like fill up water in the gun itself like on a regular gun. So all the like storage for the water is either in these tanks essentially, so you can swap them over when one is empty. And when it comes to performance, I absolutely love this gun. So you actually have like a real decent fire rate on this gun, and also you can shoot actually pretty far away. And again, yeah, it actually works actually really good. And if you're wondering if you should actually get one of these electrical water guns, then yep, I can actually highly suggest them. Not only they are actually tons of fun, the build quality actually on this model also is actually really decent, so it feels actually super solid. The battery runtime is very decent, and again the best part is, yeah, it's absolutely crazy how much this thing costs. So again, if you follow the special link in the description, you'll be able to essentially get it for like $1 with free shipping. So if you are a new user on AliExpress, the regular price again is like $7 to $8 for basically what you're seeing over here. Anyway, good luck.